Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today I'll tell you how to make golden milk. Golden milk, also known as turmeric milk, is a traditional Ayurvedic beverage made from turmeric, a spice commonly used in Indian cooking. The warm and comforting drink is known for its numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation, boosting the immune system, and aiding in digestion. Used as antioxidant that helps protect the body from free radicals and oxidative stress. Cancer prevention including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to make golden milk and the health benefits of turmeric. Ingredients: 1 cup of milk, cow's milk, almond milk, coconut milk, or any other alternative. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 1 teaspoon ginger. 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Pinch of black pepper. 1 teaspoon coconut oil or ghee, optional. Instructions: start by heating up the milk in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the turmeric powder, cinnamon, ginger, and black pepper and stir to combine. If desired, add honey or any other sweetener to taste. If you want to add a little extra boost, you can also add a teaspoon of coconut oil or ghee. Let the mixture simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer to remove any solids. Pour the golden milk into a mug and enjoy while still warm. Thanks for watching my video. If you like, then subscribe to my